Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set to add a return journey when planning a route in the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the routes button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the create a route plan button, and within this section look for the add return journey button, and to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned green, this function is enabled, and when you're planning a route you can add this as an additional step. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.